this lovely little area here. Well, good morning. We're still at this little motorhome stopover. Weather's taken a bit of a turn for the worse this morning. It's been pouring with rain, absolutely pouring with rain. The wind's got up and we're in the side of the van here. We're just about to leave. As you saw the pictures from earlier in the video, beautiful place to stop. Cost us just £10 with non-electric. We're going to jump in the van now and get some fuel up at the village. Just taking another little break for some more photographs, and it's quite beautiful up here. A little bit windy in this spot, but some pretty impressive sky. parked up again, haven't we?
Yes, after going down 14 miles of the most windy, narrowest, twisty, butt-clenching road you could ever want to go down.
Hard work. Yeah, that was hard work.
Stressful.
But it was beautiful. And now we're at a place we've been to before, and it's our second visit here, Clachtol Beach Campsite. And I have done a vlog on this before, but we're going to do a little update.
But it was blowing a hoolie when we came before.
Yeah.
So we couldn't do an awful lot.
Yeah. So we'll do another vlog and a quick
And
wander around the site. There's a few updates, and it's really nice. It was just as we remember it.
I like the planters. We'll do a photo of that.
We'll pass them in a minute.
Yeah.
Yep. So we'll show you around and gonna find that little shop.
Yeah.
Because it was closed last time, wasn't it?
I don't remember.
Yeah, I'm gonna go and find it now. So here we are on pitch number 4. The site is gradually filling up since we've been here. This is the main field. There are 2 fields, one on a sort of a higher level and then down a slope to another one, which is just through here. And reception is just to the left here. They've got a few of their local produce on sale. There's a little shop inside as well. And just here is a thing that Sue thought was funny.
I love them. I think they're great.
So as you arrive down this beautiful road on the approach, you'll see these signs, one either side of the road. And there's a little private road that leads down to the campsite. Just see the tops of the motorhomes and caravans. There's some statics in the field next door, and this is the little road that you drive down to. Had a little shop, haven't we, Sue? Nice. And look, I like this lot. Little shop there is just about 25 yards from the entrance, and we're walking back through the site here now. This is the part of the NC500 route that's not very well known. You can bypass this a little bit, and still the NC500, but you can bypass this a little bit because it is quite tricky for the larger vehicles. But we like a challenge. Well, last time we walked along here, it blew Joe's hat off, didn't it? Joe lost his hat. That was blowing so hard. Little car park over there. We'll walk back that way.
During the night, won't they?
There's rain forecast for later, yeah. We've got a little boardwalk here. There's a couple of these down to the beach. And last time we were here, they were absolutely blowing a hoolie. But we'll get you down on the beach and show you the view from down there. It's really nice. And right up on the ridge now, looking across Clachtol Beach. The things we do for a shot, eh? And that's the main road in over there.
The Highland cows are over there. The Highland cows.
Over there, are they?
Yeah, they were around here last time, but they're over there, aren't they?
They are. Yeah, there's a little car going around. You can see where that road goes up behind that cottage there.
Seen them since we've been in Scotland, isn't it?
Highland cattle?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it is. And there's walks all round here. At the beach is just here, and at full tide is split into two, with this large rock here in the centre of the beach. but tide is quite low at the moment, so and round to the right, just round here is a little toilet hut and the public car park with an information room, which is quite useful. And then we come back to the campsite there. Let's walk down on the beach. Slide down the beach. The Clachtol Beach Campsite caters for families during the summer months, particularly the summer holidays. They've got lots of things that you can rent or borrow or use free of charge, like boards, wetsuits for the children, this sort of thing, flotation things, you know, all sorts of goodies that families can use, and then bring them back to the site when they're done. But lovely on here on this beach. There's only a handful of people down here this afternoon. We've just come up to the high point on the hill here, looking across to the campsite and the beach from the other side. And if I turn round, you can probably see the farm and the water stretches beyond.